Hi everyone, in today's video I have bad and sad news. Here in our banana plantation, in our greens plantation, everything is messy. We got very terrible rain. I don't think it was really good. So it flooded everywhere. Some of the bananas are broken down. It's a typical loss. So let me move you around. I show you everything, and you can sympathize with us. These are some of the things we don't plan for, especially if we are doing agriculture. So if you're a farmer, you know what I mean, and you know how I feel right now.
Friends, I've never been emotional like today. It's been a whole, I don't know. I felt so hurt. Okay, we've been at church, and so it rained. Coming back home, everything was messy. The bananas got broken. We lost a lot of money, a lot of bananas, and also in the vegetable garden, everything is, I don't even know how. Of course, these are some of the challenges that happen in farming, and um, we don't even have power to control them. Of course, we had done staking. If you could see properly, these bananas had sticks on them, but the wind was so much that they could not hold it. So we lost them. It's not only these bananas that you see, a lot of bananas. We lost about 15, and some of them are not even edible because they are too young. I'm trying to check this one to see whether it was mature, and lucky enough it was, but of course it's a loss. And the water is too much. It over flooded. Even you can see we had trenches, but they could not hold the water enough. As you can see around the banana stools, all of them are, they are filled with water. The whole garden is just waterlogged. So I'm going to move you around. Keep watching, and yeah, I know it's not an easy thing. So we did these channels, these trenches, to help us on drainage. And you can see we had even planted grass, but yeah, the wind was too big, like too much. And that is the current situation in the garden. All the plantation has water. Actually moving around is becoming difficult. So on this side, some of these bananas survived, but of course a lot of water is here. And you see our coffee, some of these big nice bananas fell down from the roots. It was really a very, very big wind. As you can see, even that banana also got broken. Just long story. So on the section of the vegetables, it is another sad story. The water was too much. Now these veggies survived because they were in sacks, because they are a bit elevated, but water is too much. As you see that much water, we had put a trench because we have a lot of water, especially when it is a rainy season. So we had put a trench here to divide this garden up, but it got full and beyond measure. So water is just moving anywhere. It is now stuck. It has nowhere to go, and I don't know where to open. Oh, everything is just hard. So I try to move around this garden. Water is really too much. Even walking in this garden is really tough. If you try to put your gumboots, they kind of enter down in the soil. So it's really, and this is a 1 day's rain. It's been raining, but not as heavy as this one. Checking on the side of spring onions, they are also in water because these ones we had planted them down. This is a serious one. We just need God's intervention because some of these plants don't need too much water. We are going to try and to see whether we can improve on the drainage, but yeah, it's really terrible. So on the side of eggplants, they're also in, I was planning to do the weeding, but of course in a rainy season, weeds come again very fast. We just did weeding a few weeks ago, but yeah, they are also in water, but I'm glad that the urban part of it has saved them. They are up. And as you can see, even on the other side where we planted cocoyams, still waterlogged. Some of the plants fell down because of the too much wind and they had, overgrown. Ah, guys, I don't even know. Today, I don't even know whether I should tell you to subscribe, but subscribe. And this is a bogoya, like this plant. It fell down and it also came down with the sister. And this one fell down when it was almost flowering. And we've lost a lot of money, guys. Just pray for us that God will give us at least minimal rain. This is too much. You see, I tried to put my foot there. I'm trying to look for where I could walk from, but guys, it's terrible. But anyway, we thank God because everything He knows, He sends everything according to His plan, and everything is in His control. I'm glad that not everything is dead. Some of them will stabilize, but yeah, because as a farmer, I feel so bad and sad, but I'm grateful that the plants are still there. So that is like the side of our collards and spinach. And spinach fears water, doesn't want too much water as you can see them. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.